Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on curved graphs worksheet. So this video presents a simple worksheet on the idea of curved graphs. So we've had a lot of experience in drawing straight lines on a number plane. However, this is probably the first time we've had an introduction to curved graphs, and we had that introduction in the previous lesson. So if you're not sure what to do, or you're a little bit confused about these equations, then on the next slide just click on the link provided and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. Let's see what's required. So for this part here, from 1 to 7, we have to write in the space provided whether each of the following equations represents the graph of a straight line or a curve. So here you either write straight line or curve, and here straight line or curve. So you do that for those 7. So you look at each of the equations and you need to decide whether the equation represents a straight line or a curve. And this was explained very simply in the lesson on this topic. And so if you saw that lesson, this will be quite easy to do. This is the next section. Sketch each of the following graphs for each of the following equations on a different number plane. So basically, you have to prepare a number plane for each of those examples. We look at the first one, which is y equals x squared plus 3. We did something very similar to this on the lesson, and I showed you how to construct a table of x values and y values. Once you fill in the table, that will give you some points or ordered pairs. You plot the ordered pairs on the number plane, and that will allow you to plot the graph. And it's exactly the same with these 7. Now, some of these are straight lines and some of them are curved graphs, and this is where you have to decide which is which. So remember, just go to the next slide and click on the link if you have any problems, and it'll take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do each and every one of those examples.